Hey, can we put the Van Halen start of the song on this thing?
The what?
The Question, can we use one of these? Can we? This one? This one? This? Yeah?
We tore down the 434 small block Chevy.
Should we crank it? Do you want to put some ignition to it?
Ignition.
Yeah, right there.
Now it turns. It didn't turn before.
Too much compression.
Look at that. Wait. What's that from?
The gasket?
I don't know. Never seen that in there before. Got some in there too. That piston hit the head. That piston hit the head. And found out that the engine builder that had just put that one together pretty much put it together just to assemble it, probably just to get it out of his shop. It's not going to work. Now without some machining being done, maybe even new pistons. So put that one in limbo.
Question, can we use one of these? Can we? This one? Yes? No. Yeah. We can?
Grab the big boat engine with the blower on it, dual carbs, all that cool stuff. And I thought, you know, we should check this one out just to be sure before we get it in the car and figure out we've got to take it out again. So I started disassembling that.
This is your camshaft. This is your piston rings here. And you got the sucker for the fuel.
Fucking moron. Shut up.
Smooch.
Only to find out that the same thing was happening with that. So at this particular point, we have two engines that are not usable until they have money sprinkled into them to make sure that the parts will actually work. We're going to look around the shop, see what other engines and blocks I might have, because I'm pretty sure I've got quite a few there. And we're going to try and pick another engine. But this time it's going to be put together and it's going to be a brand new engine. The initial budget was set at $10,000 and putting an engine together will easily exceed that. So stay tuned. We'll see what we can get handled from here.
That camera guy back here?
Yep.
Oh, that's great.
Could you tell? He's right there.
Man.
Yeah, we don't want you breaking the camera.
You gonna add some da-na-na-na-na-na music to that?
Yeah.
A little chicken dance song?
That's a good idea.
You know what? How about a screwdriver? And a tappy.
Just tap it in. Give it a little tappy.
Man, I'm thinking that's definitely the way they should.
Oh, those are pretty. Put those back before he comes back over here. Like it never happened. Oh, what kind of fucking crackhead came up with this fucking design, huh?
Motherfuckers.
Oh, circle jerking.
We want to go fast.
You know, you better watch out with that, because I think there's a nation of them that can overtake us.
We want to go fast. What did you want to do when you grew up? I want to go fast.
I love that movie.
You can spin that off with your fingers now. There you go. See, I knew you weren't a bitch. Oh, no crying. None of that.
There's no crying in motorsports.
I'm not crying.
Wipe them tears.
You need a different shirt on than one that says Kennedy Space Center on it right now.
You got a problem with Candy Space Animal?
I do.
You do?
Yeah. Do that moon landing thing again. Do that step. Step in all that dust.
That's one small step for man.
There you go.
You never seen the astronaut ballet?
Sell it.
Huh?
Smells like a skunk over here.
What did you do?
I didn't poop.
Dude.
Smells like dope over here.
Haven't you heard of Huggies?
These are rods.
Yeah.
Something your mom loves a lot of. The top.
Yeah, that's for sure. Got a boatload of that going on.